What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this week's video I've got something a little bit different for you. A few of my clients reached out to me the other day and said, Rich, do you mind doing a video on my beautiful home and help me to rent out the property? So today guys, I'm doing a rental video of this fabulous property behind me. We're in Riviera Alta, which is Upper Ajijic. If you don't know where that is, it's just behind Upper La Floresta. It's about 10 minutes walk, 5 to 10 minutes walk into Ajijic from here. It's a really great location. It's a beautiful condominium, gated community. So this 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom property here in Riviera Alta is being rented out for $1,800 per month. And that actually includes the gardener, the cleaner, and the pool guy. So today, guys, this is available from the 1st of April. You can do a month-by-month basis, or you can do a 6-month rent. Without further ado, let's go and check out this beautiful rental here in Riviera Alta. The video is on its way. So there we have it guys. I hope you've liked this tour of the beautiful rental property here in Riviera Alta today. If you want to come and see this property, if you want to rent it out, please contact me and I will put you in contact with the property manager. The property is available from the 1st of April 2022. So there we have it guys. Thank you all for watching the video. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Hasta luego amigos.